Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am Jue Andini from 1 Imagery Junior High School. On this very special occasion, I would like to show you how to make pencil case from used and newspaper. That's why I chose newspaper is material to making a pencil case to reduce paper waste. Pencil cases are very useful for students. Let's follow me on how to make a pencil case. The tools and materials we need are used newspaper, used cardboard, glue, a skewer, a scope stick, and scissors. Now I will show you how to make a pencil case. First, prepare the newspaper. Second, roll up the newspaper using the chopstick. Into each roll of 10 centimeters, like this. Then arrange and attach the paper rolls into 6 pieces. And make 6 groups of them. Then attach the paper rolls 13 pieces and make 4 groups of them. Glue the parts together to form the pencil case. Glue in the part. Then attach the cardboard to the bottom of the pencil case to make it stronger. And last, cut the cardboard. Kara, the pencil case is ready to use. Very easy, right? So let's make creative at home using used goods. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.